Welcome back to Explore Error. How to make a PDF from photos on your iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a PDF document from the photos on your phone. You can do this without downloading any third-party apps. First, open the Photos gallery on your iPhone. Then tap on Select in the top right corner and choose the images you want to convert into a PDF. After that, tap on the Share icon in the bottom left corner, scroll down, and tap on Print. Now tap on the Share icon in the top right corner. As you can see, this will automatically create your PDF document. Then tap on Save to Files, choose the folder where you want to save it, and tap Save. After that, you can close this window. From your home screen, search for Files and open the Files app. Make sure you are in the correct folder, and here you will find the PDF document that we just created. As you can see, multiple photos are combined into one single PDF.